Hey guys, and welcome back. As you can tell, I'm standing in my kitchen here, so we're gonna do our first nutritional video. The first recipe we're gonna work on is cassava bread. So cassava is a root vegetable. It's a higher carb source, but it's zero sugar option, zero wheat. So if you're trying to reduce sugar, reduce wheat, reduce gluten, this is a great carb alternative. So we were gonna walk through step by step, and then in the description, I will leave the actual steps as well. And also some links if you wanna learn more about the cassava root vegetable and nutrients and minerals that it contains as well. Okay, so let's get started.
Our main ingredient, cassava. So I choose the frozen one because it's easier, but you can buy the raw one. Just make sure you peel off the skin very well, you clean it very well because the skin is toxic.
Yeah, very important point, guys.
Yes. So I'm using the InstaPot because it's also faster, but you can do it in any pot.
So basically, if you boil it, it's fine.
Yeah. So very easy. You put water here.
So how much water do you put in?
Just to cover the cassava.
Okay.
Some salt here. Just like eyeballing.
Yeah.
You throw the cassava here.
So we're using 2 packages, right?
I'm using 2 packages because you like it a lot.
Yeah.
So there we go.
So making sure it's all covered in the water, right?
All covered in the water. This one.
Yeah, so they'll break apart. Right?
Yeah, you will. So I choose this case the pressure option.
So how much pressure?
It's about 30 minutes. You can do less.
Okay, so 30 minutes time and then...
And we're back. So let's see how this looks like when it's cooked. Come here.
So it's all cooked now?
It is. So I want to say something. You don't need an InstaPot to do this. You can use any pot the same way you will boil potatoes.
Yeah.
Sometimes cassava can be very stubborn. So maybe a tip is boil the water first and then dump the cassava after until it gets this, like it opens.
Yep,
Like
so you can see it's
here.
open.
Yep.
She's talking about that one right there.
Yeah.
Yep, so it's open.
So let's get these.
You scoop it out. Okay, so they're all out of the pot now, and what Celia's gonna do is de-stem them.
Yeah, so just come here. So I just want to...
There's little stems inside.
Do you see these? You can't eat that. So the stems are out.
Yep, all the stems are out. That's all there. Yep.
And this will be the step number 3. So we like to add a little bit of butter and a little bit of goat cheese. There we go. And just mash everything together.
So this is best done when it's hot so that it all melts together, right?
So this is all well combined. Just keep in mind this is a very sticky mix. So if you do it by hands, let it cool a little bit because it's very hot right now. And put some kind of oil in your hands so you can actually shake them. If not, you can use an ice cream scoop. I'm using this.
Just scoop it up.
Scoop it up and then just put it in a tray. This is the last one.
We've got almost 2 trays there.
This one is for Lupe.
Dogs can eat tubers.
So oven
Hey, Lupe?
oven 375.
Yep.
And this goes to the oven. So, and it's done. Let's see how this look like. To be hard in the outside and very chewy and soft in the inside.
Yep.
So here you
Very
have
tasty. Yep. So again, guys, this is a high carb alternative. Be careful. Don't eat them like Tic Tacs because they're very good, especially if you put lots of cheese and butter. So just be careful as far as how much you consume. Okay. So that's our first nutritional video, right?
Please subscribe and share.
Yeah. Thank you.